Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to save phone space using Terabox. So you can upload a photo, right? Or you can upload a new folder, a new video, new file, right? And you can reorganize them with adding new folder right here. Let me close this one, right? And you can organize them, as categories, photos, videos, whatever it might be, right? The same goes for photos, and the same goes for files, and the same goes for videos. If you want to see your videos without any internet connection, what you're gonna do, this is a demonstration of course, you're gonna just go ahead and hold, this is like a video, and you're gonna click the offline button, right? And the offline button allows you to access the video, photo, file without needing to connect with an internet, right? Same goes for photo, right? But if you want to actually have access to it and you want to make sure, export the file and watch it on your own device. Okay, so let's find out in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.